Hello there, beautiful. Welcome back to another video. My name is Angel and I'm so excited for you to join me yet again for another girl talk / chit chat. So let's just jump right into it. Girl, I gotta ask you a question. Now, don't take it personal, but I'm gonna need you to be 100, okay? If you're new here, subscribe and like because we're about to get into it, all right? I wanna ask you, are you jealous of your friends? Like, real talk, are you jealous? Like, are you jealous? Now, after you answer yourself this question, I have a couple Bible verses I want to read to you, and I want to jump right into the meat of it. So the first one is Proverbs 14:30, and it reads, "A peaceful mind gives life to the body, but jealousy rots the bones." Ecclesiastes 4:4. And I saw that all toil and all achievement spring from one person's envy of another. This too is meaningless, a chasing after the wind. And the last one is Philippians 2:3, and it reads, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves." But I recognize how jealousy is a very sneaky, creepy little thing that could sneak up into our hearts and have us feeling some type of way about those who we say we love. Nobody is perfect, and that is the truth. And we are all going to fall short when it comes to anything. Just how we are. We're going to fall short. And so take what I'm saying with grace, literally grace, girl. I ain't trying to come at you, but I'm saying it because I had to see this part of myself as well. And it's interesting because you don't necessarily feel like you're jealous of a friend until you take a step back and you're like, yo, why do I feel this type of way? For myself, I have recognized how in the past, if I have been jealous, whether it's a small thing or a big thing in somebody's eyes, I can see how it's caused me to feel like, yo, this is... Quick little story time. I know I haven't seen y'all in a long time, but that's besides the point. This morning while I was at the studio, I saw that man taking a walk. And I was like, you know what? Yes, it's cold. Y'all see the fog? I said, yes, it's cold, but I'm going to take a walk. And when I first walked past him, I was like, I should say something. And I was like, no. And I was like, you know what? Yeah. When I walk back, I'm going to tell him that he encouraged me to go take a walk this morning. And I did. And his name is Smitty. And he was so happy to hear that. And so that's my quick story time. Welcome from my dirty office. Y'all, I just finished recording 3 girl talks today. And I feel so accomplished because I started the day a little late. Had a few hiccups, but showed up nonetheless so I could bang these things out. That was my set, just real simple today. No extra cameras, just one camera, one chair, and a simple background. Y'all, let this be the moment that you decide to just get it done, girl. Just get it done. Whatever that means for you, just get it done. Child, I'm telling you, I'm so grateful. This is just sick. It just doesn't feel well. And so to read in the Word of God that jealousy rots the bones, it's like it goes past the surface level, y'all. Jealousy will go down deep. Yeah, it might not be your organs, but bones, literally bones are dense. So to rot bone, let's look at the layers of bones. Literally there's the outer, there's an inner, and then the marrow or whatever, how many layers there is. The fact that jealousy causes your bones to rot is wild. And even if you're not jealous of your friends, being jealous of people altogether is wild to me, because it also makes me think that you are ungrateful for where you are in your life, in your season. And that's a whole conversation for another time. But girl, we don't have time to be jealous of people. We could look at people and inspire, and feel inspired by them, but there's no reason. Oh, say it. Hi, my name is Angel. Cup, cornstarch,
Oily, greasy hair.
greasy hair friend. Cornstarch, cup. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Wasting. Oh my gosh. I think that's a good start.
A good start.
Yeah. I think this might be just enough.
You think so? We saw a TikTok video that said use cocoa powder, so it's not as white, but we don't want to fry my hair
And put chocolate in
burn
it.
chocolate.
So, watch us do it. Wow. Now let's take a look at the grease. Let me get a better view. See the grease. I feel like you can literally see the grease.
Leave me alone.
But look at how long. This is all her.
All me.
Okay. You see, I'm still going. But yeah, we got some. How long has
Don't
it
get
been?
too close to the scalp. Yeah. It's been almost 4 weeks.
Oh man. So let's see if this works. And to be jealous, because then that taps into comparison and all the other ugly traits that can attract with it. To see then the fact that if you do what you're doing to show someone out or to brag or to boast because you're jealous, it's meaningless. Like, it's like chasing the wind. Like, let that sit with you. It doesn't matter how hard you're working and you're like, yeah, I'm working hard on my business, on my craft, on my this, but you're doing it out of a jealous place. That literally is a heart check. Like, literally check your heart and check your posture. Because if you're doing things because you're jealous of somebody or you want to show someone out, you're not going to find success at all. Literally, I've said it before. There's so much money in this world. There's so much areas for you to be successful. The fact that God said, I have plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Like, he's literally saying to you, like, it doesn't matter how many people might be in the industry. I got you, girl. Like, I got you on lock. But the fact that you toil and you have all these achievements that like spring forth because of jealousy, that all is like dust. It's nothing. That's crazy, y'all. Like, I have saw myself in positions like this, and I know how it felt, and it literally feels like never enough. Like, there's no filling. It's all void, and it's all meaningless because your heart's not in a good space, your mind's not in a good space. Like, and you're not really even producing good fruit. Like, that's real talk. And this last Bible verse, do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourself. Again, it talks about your heart posture. How are you going to do and serve people at the best of your ability if you're doing it out of conceit or vanity? Like, you're literally just doing it to toot your own horn. You're always going to feel empty because you can't clap for you the way you desire if your heart is ungrateful, if your heart is bitter, if your heart is jealous. And so that's why I asked you earlier, girl, like, are you jealous of your friends? Because I know for me, I have friends in all types of areas of their life where we're all different. We're all going through different things. Some of us are ahead, and I put air quotes because there's nobody in competition with you. You're not going against anybody in this race. But there are some people that, for example, I have friends that are married with children. I have friends that are doing really successful in their business or in their work life. I have friends that are doing well with their health. I have friends that are doing well with their finances. I have friends that, we're all in different places, but I choose not to look at them in a way where it's like, yo, like, oh, I can't believe so-and-so is already doing this. Like, who does she think she is? Last year? No, the reason why I can't do that is because it's a reflection on me, and it means that my heart is not in a good place. And the word says, God, if there be any wicked thing in me, show me, reveal it, search my heart, and then take it out. Help me, Lord, because I don't want to be in a place where my heart is literally bitter or just disgusting, because I don't want that. That just makes me think of my heart turning into stone, and I don't want no parts, because I love the heart that God has given me. And so this is your video to heart check yourself when it comes to how you see your friends, how you see those around you, how you see even people that you follow on social media. Are you jealous? Are you envious? So this is the side where we put the cornstarch. It doesn't look as greasy as the top, as you can see. So that's cornstarch right there. And that's the grease right there. And you can feel the difference. Morning, beautiful people. I am here at my friend's studio, opening up for her for a client of hers to finish getting myself ready once they come. Today has been a doozy of a day, a doozy of a day, but check out her beautiful space. Let me show you guys around. She has this backdrop with X's and O's, a cute little disco type of backdrop. This is my favorite, the piano. My goodness, look at that. Talk about romantic. So beautiful. Love this mirror over there. My cozy angel sweatsuit. This gorgeous couch with the pink roses and the neon sign. I'm gonna have to turn that on so that way it's all prepped and ready. But look how my nails match this like set. It's so cute. And then this little get up right here. So it's a vibe in here. So excited to be able to, one, open up for her, and two, we're gonna come in here later today and use the space as well. So that's also very fun. Vlog.
What's up? We in the building. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Look at y'all. Hey there. Gorgeous, right? Her studio is beautiful. Well, you guys enjoy your time. Bye. Are you looking at them and judging them and what they have? And if you are, girl, why? And really get to the root of that thing. Like, were you rejected? Do you feel like you have been self-sabotaging? The list could go on, but girl, I'm telling you, it is not worth it to be jealous of a person. And if you feel like you're battling with this because of low self-esteem or you lack confidence, I challenge you to close these things down, like shut down social media, shut down like all the noise, and really get into a place where you can sit before the Lord and begin to love yourself the way He's crafted you to be. Because guess what? There's a generation of people, there are women who are waiting for you to step up, and they can't go on to their next season with you like this because they're waiting for you so they can gain something from you. And so I'm about to record my last video for today. Y'all, this batch recording is not for the weak of heart, and so I hope you enjoy all of this content that I'm giving y'all, because I'm literally eyes burning but giving it my all. You hear me? My all. February is about to be fire. That's all I do know, okay? And so enjoy this video. Enjoy these videos. Enjoy these lives. And let's have us a good time. Enjoy this vlog. Okay? All right, girl. This is your charge, girl. Literally let go of jealousy and all of the other ugly characteristics and traits that come along with it. I pray that this video finds you well. If you like it, if you want me to talk a little bit more about any of the things I mentioned in this video, comment below. Like the video so other women can find this video and also be encouraged in this area. I love the community we have here. I love that we've been joining each other on live and kicking it and keeping it cute, and all of the things. And so I love you. I love you. I love you. Don't you ever let anyone dim your light. Ever. Don't ever let anyone dim your light. And don't you go out there dimming other people's lights either. I need you to be an ambassador of Christ, just like He called us to be the light, to be the salt and the light, to be able to correct people with grace, but also a little spice. All right. But anyways, I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Until the next one. Bye.